Registration is open now for the academic year 2025 to 2026. Here at Clever Private Basic School in Erbil, we believe that every child has the potential to achieve data greatness. Our staff is made of highly qualified professionals passionate about student success. We've prepared the best classroom with the smart technology. Library and laboratory with a wide range of learning materials. Playground and sport facilities to healthy physical development. From your doorstep to our classrooms, transportation made simple.